Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling guided access so the phone can lock to a single app. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Guided Access and toggle it on. Once done, set a passcode and enable Face ID if preferred so you can end sessions quickly. Make sure to also configure time limits and display auto lock here. These control session duration and screen behavior. This step prepares the device for immediate locking into any app when you need focused use, or to hand the phone to someone safely. You now start guided access inside the app you want to restrict. Open that app, then triple-click the side button. The guided access interface appears. Use touch controls to disable screen areas by circling them, and tap options to disable hardware buttons, motion, or the keyboard. Once configured, tap Start to begin the session. This combination of disabled zones and options prevents accidental taps or leaving the app, so it's ideal for demonstrations, child use, or secure kiosk situations. To finish, triple-click the side button and authenticate with your passcode or Face ID, then tap End. If you can't exit because the triple-click doesn't respond, force a restart. Press and hold side plus volume buttons briefly until the Apple logo appears, and then try again. If Face ID or the passcode isn't accepted, make sure Guided Access has the correct passcode set in Settings or temporarily disable Face ID requirement. This final check ensures you regain full control safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.